change of state is a physical change in a matter. They are reversible changes and do not involve any changes in the chemical makeup of the matter. When temperature or pressure change of a system occurs, phase changes occur. When the temperature or pressure increases, the interaction between the molecules increases. Similarly, when the temperature decreases, it is easier for molecules and atoms to settle into a more rigid structure. There are 6 different types of state changes. Melting, when a substance changes from a solid to a liquid. Freezing, when a substance changes from a liquid to a solid. Vaporization, when a substance changes from a liquid to a gas. Condensation, when a substance changes from a gas to a liquid. Sublimation, when a substance changes from a solid directly to a gas. Deposition, when a substance changes from a gas directly to a solid. Melting, if you took out the ice cubes from the freezer and placed them in a warm room, the ice would absorb energy from the warmer air around them. This absorbed energy would facilitate them to overcome the force of attraction holding them together, enabling them to slip out of the fixed position that they held as ice. The process in which a solid changes to a liquid is called melting. The melting point is the temperature at which a solid changes to a liquid. Vaporization. If the water is hot enough, it starts to boil. Bubbles of water vapor are formed in the boiling water. This happens as particles of liquid water gain enough energy to completely overcome the force of attraction between them and change to the gaseous state. The bubbles rise through the water and escape from the pot as steam. The process in which a liquid boils and changes to a gas is called vaporization. The temperature at which a liquid boils is its boiling point. Condensation. When you take a hot shower in a closed bathroom, the mirror is likely to fog up. You may wonder, why does this happen? Some hot water from the shower evaporates, and when it comes in contact with cooler surfaces such as the mirror, it cools and loses energy. The cooler water particles no longer have the energy to overcome the forces of attraction between them. They come together and form droplets of liquid water. This process in which a gas changes to a liquid is known as condensation. Sublimation. The process in which solids directly change to gases is known as sublimation. This occurs when solids absorb enough energy to completely overcome the forces of attraction between them. Not all substances sublimate. Mothballs are made up of naphthalene. Naphthalene has very weak intermolecular forces. Because of these weak forces, the mothball, which is made up of naphthalene, sublimates. That is, it changes its state from solid to vapor. Now, this vapor is either absorbed by the fabric or it escapes into the atmosphere, causing the mothballs to disappear over time. Deposition. The opposite of sublimation is deposition. This is the process in which a gas changes directly to a solid without going through the liquid state.